What do you think people can learn from the history here?
Hmm. Hmm. That's not, nothing is, no nic nie jest trwałe.
Nothing is stable.
Nothing is, nothing is, nothing could be, built to be perfect. Nothing is perfect. Everything could be ruined one day, after hundreds of years, building up. That's actually the 20th century for this place was, these few years of wars. It is like a ruin of civilization of here, from 16th century to today. It's and sometimes if you see the forgotten bridges or empty temples, or it's like the fact that this civilization was ruined, and that this connection with people also. I'm not sure really about I'm not sure that everything a multicultural society lives together. I know that there are boundaries, I know that there are ghettos. It's normal, but a special experience from here is that this lack, this brak tych ludzi tutaj,
the lack of these people,
powoduje, że ludzie, że ci, którzy pozostali, czują się w sposób specjalny jakoś tak, wiesz, czują to jakby to jest ten ból, który ma się na przykład po uciętej ręce, czy po amputowanej ręce.
The lack of these people makes this place very special, and this is this kind of, but special in very strange way, because this is this kind of pain what you feel when your hand is cut off from you.
I still feel this in the hand, It's actually a phantom.
Mm-hmm. It's a phantom hand, yeah.
I felt it when I was speaking with my grandparents from here.